What's up, Mike?
Hey everybody, Mike here, and I'm going over my first impressions of a new lighting setup that I just recently purchased. It is the eMart Photography Softbox Light Kit. It's on Amazon, and I'll put a link to the product down below. It was the cheapest lighting box that I've found that's LED, and it's pretty decent lighting. I'm only using these two lights, and you could probably see right now that I'm like really lit up nice. I have one on my about 45 and 45 here, and you could probably also see the one that I have set up vertically right about here in the mirror. So you can see it's throwing off a lot of light. It's I think it's $84.49 right now on Amazon. It's pretty decent. The only thing is getting the soft box itself on was a little complicated. It's kind of like putting a tent together if you've ever gone camping. So it's a little trial and error. The directions say to like lay it flat, but I actually found it easier to assemble it on the stand itself. Maybe I'll put a little video of me putting it together in here as well. Yeah, that's basically about it. I'd probably give it maybe like 4.5 stars out of 5. I would give it 5 out of 5 if it was just a little bit easier to put together. One person, I mean 2 people could put the softbox together, no problem. And other thing, oh, it also has the 2 different frequencies. It has the 2700K and the 5500K brightness. And it's adjustable as well. And I'll just turn the lights down real quick, have my assistant do that, and you'll see the difference as I go into dark. So that's the left one, my left, going all the way dim. And here is the right one going all the way dim. So I probably look really dark now. And go ahead and turn it back up. And then also flip it over to the other lighting mode. We'll just show that off really quickly. There's a little switch on the back. So here comes the white light, I call it, and I probably look totally different now. So it's like, so you get 2 different lightings, and that's also adjustable. And I think it's a really good product. I would give it, again, 5 out of 5 if the softbox was a little bit easier to put together, and also some of the parts felt a little plasticky, but you know, what can you say for $85, you know? Yeah, it's a good product, and you know, I give a recommendation. Okay, so here is the light box taken off the stand here, and I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble it, and so you can see it being disassembled, and sorry for the camera shaking. And then I'll reassemble it as well. Okay, so we'll leave that right there. And it has these Velcro things right here, and it has 2 parts. We'll take off the little cover here. Everything's like Velcro's on. It's really, this is pretty nice right here. Okay. So we undid those. This is a very cool light. These have been running for about 20 minutes or so. I just wanted to see how hot they would get compared to like some other lighting that I've tried in the past. So we'll take it apart. So these are most likely fiberglass rods. So once it's undone, the rods just come right out. And there's the light itself, and you can see it has the 5500 and the 5500 and the 2700 and the adjustable dial for the brightness. So here's the softbox material, and I'll put it together real quick. So there are two positions that you can, or actually there's these little holes right here where you put it in, put the little rod part in, like so. we'll actually do caddy corners first. Probably a little bit easier. So I got the two corners in first. So now we'll go ahead and get the other two. On the light itself has like a little, I guess like a, I don't know what to call it. Just like a little, it kind of gives you an indicator of where you actually put the little light part itself. So you get the 3 in. Get this one bending. Get the other part up here. Get that down. It's almost done. Okay, just like that. So now that's all done, and you can go ahead and get the Velcro-y parts here, and so, and so. And you could use it without the cover here, and to have some direct light, and it's pretty good lighting this way. Yeah. So let's just put the cover on. This also has some Velcro. Okay, that's it. That's how you put it on. And again, you can put it on horizontally like this that I put it on, or vertically like I have currently set up and using. And I'll just show you that again real quick, which is right here. And there you go. So right there. And the stands are pretty decent. When you do put the stands together, make sure you put them all the way down like this. This part all the way down, so you get a nice sturdy base. Also, when you do put the light box on, make sure the box itself is centered over one of the tripod legs. If not, it'll easily tip like this. It'll like easily tip. But when all the weight of it is forward, like that, and so it's putting all the weight right there. Well, if you liked this video and found it informative, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, put a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell in the left hand or the right hand side for notifications when new videos are posted. Well, I want to thank you very much. Take care and see you next time.